Thank you to Xsense for sending me these wireless interconnected combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector with LCD display. This is my review. Comes with all of the mounting hardware, warranty, screws you need. I really like the look of them. You're peeling off the label, how they turn on and off in the background. And it's a great look, much better than the stuff that was in my 50-year-old home. They just click onto the wall as such, and when you turn them on, when you turn it to the side, it engages it and turns on the screen. It has a CO2 amount on it. They have a 10-year battery warranty. They cover over 820 square feet of range in between them, and they're all interconnected, which is my favorite part. You can see it turning on here. There it is. It's all connected. There's your CO2 amount. The install is easy. I found a tip to put the one that has just one at the top in first. It has all the necessary wall anchors and screws. You either can drill it straight into the wall, depending on if you hit a stud or not. Put the one that just has one and then the two facing down. It makes it easier to line up. Screw it in. If not, you have to drill a small hole, then pound the wall anchor in. But right here I'm in a header, so there's just a bunch of screws and I could just screw it in place. No need for wall anchors here. And what helps is if you put the two that are at the bottom, because there's two, then you just take the alarm out, peel off the plastic, which is super satisfying, and then you just twist it into place on the mount. And there's a little bit of wiggle room so you can make sure to line it up nice and even. Watch it, click it on, and then I could back it back out just a little bit so it's perfectly even. Here it is, turning on, going through its motions, connecting to the other devices, and doing its job. I like these a lot. They really cleaned up the look of the house, and they work great. There it is. I am super impressed with these Xsense wireless interconnected smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. They have an LCD display. I moved into an older house and there was all kinds of hodgepodge of random smoke detectors everywhere, and they just looked terrible. The batteries were chirping all the time. I had to replace them. So I just went and got this. They came in a pack of 6. They have an LCD display, a 10-year battery, and they're all interconnected. So I have these all throughout my house. There's 6 of them in 6 different rooms, and they'll detect if something is going on. So if I'm upstairs and there's an issue downstairs, I will hear it on this, and that is great peace of mind when I'm sleeping. You can see they have the carbon monoxide display of the amount listed right there. They also are, our combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector. They're good for up to 820 feet of range, and they look good. They're easy to install, and I will show an install video shortly right here. It's super simple. Just lock them into place. They came packaged well. You can see there's a giant hole for the old one that was installed all weird. And you just get you just put them in the wall here. You just put this trim plate and just put this up here and just slide into place until it's centered. Works great. Little tip: this top one here, put that on instead of to put at the top, and then the 2 at the bottom, and it's a lot easier to line them up so they look good. My wife loved this. Just those little updates you can do to an older home make it all worth it. I definitely recommend these. They work well. They help me feel safe, look more modern, and I love the internet connectability that if there's a problem downstairs with my kids sleeping and we're upstairs, we know right away. As soon as this one goes off, we hear everything else. And I hope this video helps you with your buying experience.